Hey there, Nate Benson here in Gowanda, and it's one of those weird weather days. Take a look at this. This is the hail that fell in Gowanda just after 3:30 this afternoon. I spoke to the town supervisor of Persia. He says all of the main strip of Gowanda looks like a February ice storm because there was so much hail, and it caused a lot of damage. Look at behind me there. The windows of Town Hall, the Persia Town Hall, all blown out. The supervisor said the wind was so strong, the hail was so strong, it broke through the windows and shot about 30 feet across the second floor of the Persia Town Hall. I was just up there a second ago and saw it for myself. There's all sorts of water damage and melting hail and all that kind of thing. We got crews right now, emergency crews, boarding up the windows of Town Hall so that can be secure. But absolutely insane size hail in Gowanda in severe weather across the southern part of Erie County, Cattaraugus County. As the storm severe weather pushed through this afternoon, there was a tornado warning at one point as well. Many roads have been flooded over, especially in the Gowanda Collins area. Route 39 in Collins was flooded over near the fire hall. I spoke to the fire chief there. They said the river's not supposed to be cutting across this road. So again, a strange weather day in Western New York, and hail that I've never seen as large as this in my career.